Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jasneet Singh aka Innovative Coder from Innovative Coder Workstation, and we'll be continuing the session of lists in this video. So what we have seen is the basic syntax of lists and how we can create it in different ways and what all we can do on the list. So continuing the session, let us create something A6, okay, and so what we can do with lists is we can store multiple data types. Suppose we have 1, 2, then we have a string a, and then we have a boolean value true. So this is allowed, this is completely fine if we are working with lists. Multiple data types are completely fine, so let me shift it, right? Okay, so this is completely fine. We can do this, and this is very interesting also. We can do a lot of stuff with with all of these things. And what it takes us to the next point, that in a so lists work absolutely fine. They are very interesting, and what we can also do is we can have all the things which we have earlier studied, which we have earlier learned. So with lists, what we can have is we can access the elements of the list using the indexes. So we can have the forward indexes, and we can have the positive indexes, and we can have the negative indexes, in which we have seen earlier in the strings and tuple and all that stuff, right? So we can have the negative indexes. So in A we have we have the A 1 2 3. So at 0 we have the 0th element, which we have the first, we have 1, and minus 1th element we have 3, right? So similarly what we can have is we can have slicing also, right? So if we want to access the the second element, so we can have first element, we can have a1 to 2, so starting and ending minus 1, so it will give us the first element, and it will create a new list, right? So the if we have, so yeah, a1 is to 3, and from starting to end, and if we see the type of this thing, we will get a list, right? That is very interesting. Okay, so we are seeing some operations on lists, right? So the next thing which we have is we can see the length of um, length of lists using length, lena, right? So we have the length of a as 3, a1 we have 3, a2 we have 3, right? Yeah, let's see the length of a5, we have 10, right? So we can have that, we can apply all of those operations on lists. Now what we can see is faster iterations for I in range. No, we can see the fast iterations for I in A. In fast iterations we don't use range, as you might be remembering. So let me comment it out. Fast iterations. Okay, so for I in range A we can print I. Okay, so 1 2 3 we get the elements, right? Okay guys, so thank you for this video. Keep following and keep liking if you like the video. If you like if you have watched the earlier videos and like the content, then please support me and like the video, and please share it with your Python and stuff friends. And also you can alternatively follow me on Instagram. I have a cool page named as Innovative Coder over there, so you can just search it, or the link will be given in the description down below. Thank you for this video, and have a wonderful day.